So they put like the transmission out of the lead and 4 and 5. The engine you see now is owned by the club, by Shenandoah Valley Steam and Gas Engine Association. And one of the operators I see is Eric Goldfield, but I don't know who the other one is. 10,000-pound class tractors, line up. 10,000-pound class tractors to the bottom of the track. It takes a few seconds to get it lined up just right, so they can stop and hook up.
That means they
The
got
track
to take
team
weights
does
off.
a tremendous job in accommodating this by setting out longer chains and setting the sleds so that they don't break them too quickly, so they put on a good sled. Ryan Hummer, 1941 Ford, for the first time watching a steam engine pull. Down there on the front of the engine. Oh, I never noticed you did a little spin out there, and that's it. And has been a separate show in Berryville, except for the one in Kirkland, and the one where they were having a boiler rebuilt. Which just showed again, since they bought that in 1956. Great representation of South Family, the principal part of the organization here, the club president. Rick Giles, Rick Tucker is married to Linda Giles. And we're real proud to be out of Bunker Hill, West Virginia, ladies and gentlemen. Big round of applause for them. Looks like we have a graduate. What did he do? Hook onto that engine and pull yourself a little further. Sit up there by Grayson. Looks like 2 valves on the engine with Irvin King.